We are here at my most recent project in the city of Fort Erie. This was a property that I initially purchased with the plan on renovating the house and adding a one-bedroom garage suite in the attached three-car garage. Since making this purchase, things have changed. Obviously, the market has changed, and also as I was running the numbers and getting quotes for the renovation, I decided that this was not the project that made sense in terms of the amount of money it would take to add that second suite. So instead, we cut it to the bare bones. We just renovated this property. So we did new flooring, we updated the kitchen, updated the bathroom, painted it, and put in new appliances and really freshened it up, but keeping it to a cosmetic renovation, nothing too extensive when it comes to replacing too much of the existing home. So all in all, we probably spent around $50,000 in terms of renovating this two-bedroom house. And while this renovation was taking place, we were going through the process with the city to complete the land severance. So tomorrow, actually, as of this day we're filming, is the meeting at the city council where we'll be able to get an approval for the land severance. So hopefully once that goes through, we'll be able to sell the land and recoup our initial investment. This home, since we've purchased it, has dramatically decreased in value. So we closed on March 30th, we paid $550 for the home, and comparables are now selling in the 400s. So definitely this is not a property we want to sell anytime soon. We're going to be keeping it for the next couple of years. It's available for rent right now for $21.95 plus utilities as a two-bedroom bungalow. So hopefully we find a good tenant soon. We'll be renting it out for the next, hopefully, year, 2 years. And maybe as long as 5 years, if that's how long it takes for the market to recover. I'm really, setting myself up to be patient and to wait for this property to really mature before we decide on, what should we sell it? Should we make that garage into an apartment? Those are the decisions we'll need to make in the next couple of years. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Until next time, all the best.